It's a really big event for our sailors. So we have quite a rich tradition of sailing at our school. We're quite close to the Hebe Haven Yacht Club. So we have lots of kids that are really, really excited to participate in this team event.
What we've got to do is build on this success and come back next year having given more kids the opportunity to sail and more kids the opportunity to attend this event. I think it's fantastic.
Well, we're very happy, especially since there are a lot of small children. We're happy they managed to experience winning the races.
I think our team was really tight-knit and we worked really, really well together this weekend.